Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unboxing and make quick setup on the Elgato Stream Deck XL. If you're new here, please subscribe, thumbs up, comment if you like it. Let's crack it on. Here you go, the new Elgato Stream Deck XL, 32 buttons. Is working with Windows, Mac. Usually every streamer have this one, but it's not only for streaming. You can use it for full automation, and it's coming with the good LCDs buttons that you can basically see what you're doing. Can you unwrap it?
Yes.
Oh, can you do it more slower than that?
Yeah, no. Yes.
What we have?
Manual and a quick setup. How to plug it in, where to go, to download.
Okay, then you're gonna need this one, yeah?
Yeah.
To see from where to download your software.
And the buttons, I can already feel them.
Come on, don't be shy.
I don't want to break it. There you
We
go.
don't have all night, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice wrapping.
This is how it looks like. Has a lot of buttons. How many?
32.
Yeah.
All are LCD as well. That means what shortcut you make it, you can manage to see icon as well to help you to know for what is it.
So it's like a live update.
Yep. You can see live everything. Plus is a good magnetic stand. You can use it with it or without it. Depends how you want it to be. Usually I think with the magnetic stand is gonna be much more better. Look how it's going to be. It's gonna be like that. But let's now connect it and see what's going on. Okay, for you, till I connect the USB and everything, just go on the site and download the software.
Which is Elgato.
Yep. If I forgot, it's coming with very decent cable and it's USB-C. Okay.
Load.
Have a hole through the stand
Product.
and you can push the cable and everything gonna look nice and tidy on the desk. Let's see the first start. Connecting. They suggest to not using with the USB hub, but this is what we're doing. We plug into the hub. We are with Mac, if everyone wondering.
And we're going to try and set it up with Ecamm Live. Ecamm.
It's coming with straight away with Elgato logo.
And it gives you a nice welcome.
It's coming, yeah, with nice welcome button. Now, okay, we have the default profile. And bunch of stuff that you can use it with the Streamlabs OBS, Streamlabs, soundboard, game captures, and all kind of stuff that we're not gonna use it. have good system controls, system controls.
YouTube,
Okay.
Twitter, Twitch.
Twitch.
There's even more stuff.
You can download everything, and this is what we're going to do.
You can search for if there's E. There it is.
Here you go. Download it. Nah, we don't need profile.
And it should be all the way at the
Should
bottom.
be all the way to the bottom. Okay, let's see what we're going to do.
There's a lot of settings.
A lot of settings. Let's see then. If we go live, yeah, okay. Take this one and organize it. You receive it straight away, even with the touch that say straight away finish or go live. Obviously, she can go live because she make a video right now as well.
You can play sound, stop sound.
Let's put play sound. Let's check it.
Put it there.
Okay. You have a menu that you can choose the sound. Just choose some sound. Okay. Applause. Okay. Let's test it.
You can hear it.
Again. It's nice. This is everything. It's easy to set up. How I say?
It's very straightforward.
Very straightforward.
You can drag anything and then they'll just give you the options at the bottom. And then you can just... It's not hard. I don't think.
I think you can change the icon if you want as well.
Yeah. You can get one from your file or create a new icon and it will send you
straight to the Elgato, where you can customize your icon as you want.
Gives you a tutorial.
The tutorial as well. Basically, it's very good. It's very good device. Easy to work. And once when it's set up, you can use it basically for everything to make your life much more easier. If someone have a questions, comment, we're gonna answer. Explain if you want some more explained, but have so many videos. It's just we just make quick tutorial just to show, because everyone doing it the same thing and tell the same thing and everything. It's no point to say, to repeat everyone what is saying.
Done it.
What you done?
I made a new icon.
New icon for applause. You put that icon.
Yes.
And how is gonna tell you that is applause?
I was just practicing because there's loads of other little different ones.
You're gonna have a lot of time to play with him.
Yes, 32 keys.
32 keys, but it's not limited to 32 keys. You can make a folder, and this folder you can put more, and this make it unlimited.
There.
Yep.
Create a folder, and then if you click in the folder, you can add more. You can add another folder and another folder.
Yeah, you can have 32 folders with 31 buttons inside.
Where is it? Is this one right here?
Very easy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Thank you.
Bye.